The IT department would like to congratulate Christie Lake kids for the 25th anniversary of Canoe for Kids. Go teams, go!
Woohoo! Hi everyone, and thank you so much for participating in this year's Canoe for Kids, the 25th anniversary. Such a great event, and unfortunately we can't be here at beautiful Mooney's Bay to be participating, but nevertheless it's great all the different activities that you're doing to make this another incredible fundraiser for Christie Lake Camp. It's so important to know that all of the money that you raise goes directly to camp activities for kids, and you're making a big difference. So I hope you really enjoyed all your activities and had a great day, and thank you again for participating.